Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers here in Junction City, Oregon on a cool January day. No rain though, we're taking advantage of it. Today we've got a very nice product. It's a Coachmen Galleria on a Mercedes chassis. It's got storage galore, and I think it's something that you're really going to like, and it's in stock. We're going to start on the door side, right behind the driver's seat. It's in a nice galley area. I want you to notice that all the cabinetry throughout the unit are all hardwood, all dovetailed, all self-closing drawers, solid surface countertops. And wait, there's hush mat in here. You can't hear it because it makes it quiet. As you go down the road, the hush mat deadens the ground noise, and of course then they put insulation on top of that. It already has a paper towel dispenser, a high-necked faucet, a little spice rack, and something that's become very, very popular is the induction cooking. Some people like propane and some people don't, and the people that don't can experience the quick cooking time with induction cooking. As soon as you take that pot off, it cools right down. All the drawers are lit. There is a cover that goes over the sink that's slotted. Great cabinet space up above, solid latches, self-closing, convection microwave, and then moving back towards the rear of the unit, you've got a little closet area. This closet area has 3 adjustable shelves, and it's got 2 drawers that pull out, and yes, they're all made of solid hardwood. A little cabinet just above that, and then you have 3 enclosures across the bed, up above, going to the rear, a big rear storage in the very back of the unit, and then we're coming up the driver's side with 3 more enclosures up on top, and then your entertainment center, and down below the TV set you're going to find your control panel for the lighting, etc. Now this unit is a twin bed, queen bed configuration, and it's got a power lift, so when you lay in bed you can push a button and raise your head up to a proper height to watch TV and or to read. It's also, as you walk towards the rear, it's got a little tray in the back that has a place to put a laundry hamper for your clothes, and if you lift the lid up on top at the foot of the bed, there's a little storage area easily accessible for all your other items. You can fill it in and make a queen bed or leave it as twins. And you'll notice when you go through the rear of the unit, there's a huge under storage area from the back that you can put a lot of items in there that make it real comfortable. Now we're going to switch to the driver's side. We're going to come back forward to see a double door refrigerator on top with a freezer on the bottom. And then just forward of that, of course, is our gorgeous bathroom shower compartment. It's got a soap dispenser, shampoo dispenser, all built in. You just fill them up and push the button. The nice thing about what they do in this bathroom surround, there's 1 seam in here, so your maintenance is cut way down on this. 1 seam to take care of in the entire bathroom. It's got the shower miser. So the way this works is if you're dry camping, you turn the water on to make it hot and you run about 5 gallons out. Well, this one has a switch that actually recycles the water until a light comes on. Push the button and then the water comes out hot. It saves a lot of fresh water if you're dry camped. We have another TV up front. Now this is right behind the driver's seat where you have your master panel, control panel to match, made up with the one in the rear. And then up above that you got your Xantrax control, your Truma heating for your furnace and your water. You got motion light, ground effects outside. You've got a Wi-Fi extender switch. You've got your solar panel controller with a readout. You can turn the solar on or off. Why would you turn it off? It's got tank heaters, so if you go camping someplace where it's starting to get cold, you can turn your tank heaters on, and if you want, you can dump your tank in the morning so it won't be frozen. Now right behind the driver's seat, let's just sit down here for a second. It's got a very nice work table with a very big storage area underneath. It's got 3 drawers that slide out, and then towards the driver's seat, it's got a big opening underneath as well. So it's got a lot of storage, a great work area. USB ports, 12 volt, 110, and you've got your remote control for your coach right in front of you. Of course, Mercedes now offer power seats. They do swivel on both sides. And with the new 7-speed transmission, we are expecting over 22 miles per gallon. I haven't had many of my clients yet chime in to give me an accurate report, but our rental company with the 5-speed that we had was 20 to 22. You've of course got the upgraded panel in the dash of the Mercedes with all the new upgrades that they've been offering. Cup holders are throughout. There's like 6 or 8 of them in here, up on the dash, in between, on the doors. As you walk in, there's a screen with a grab handle, and to the rear of the unit there's a hookup and for a TV and a cable connection, along with the 12 volt and USB ports that's hanging out in the doorway, so you don't have to try to run something inside if you do want to entertain on the outside. Does have an electric awning, which I'm sure you're going to be able to see with the rest of the presentation. Hey, I really appreciate you taking the time in your day to stop by and watch my crazy videos from the Van Guy. Don't forget, you can go to the Van Guy on Facebook, and there's videos there, just videos, as well as on our Guaranty website. If you have a question, who are you going to call? Well, the Van Guy. Directly, it's 541-554-9581. Enjoy. Thanks again for taking your time. Good day.